Okay, let's take a look at example 3. We have 9.289. We want to convert this to scientific notation. So let's go ahead and follow the steps and see what we get. And yes, there's a particular reason why I'm doing this example with you. First, we're going to locate the decimal point. This one has a decimal already in the number. It's right here. So it's 9.289. There's your decimal. Pretty simple. Next, you're going to locate the first non-zero digit, which would be 9. First number that comes up. Pretty simple. Okay, then you're going to move the decimal just to the right of this digit. So here's why I'm doing this example. The decimal's already there. Okay, it doesn't move at all. Okay, decimal doesn't move at all. So what that means is, when you don't move the decimal, your exponent, when the decimal doesn't move, is going to be 0, right? It's not moving to the left or right, it's neutral. So at that point, you just want to write out your exponent and then write it in scientific notation. Okay, so guess what? You're just basically going to rewrite that number whenever the decimals is just to the right of your first non-zero digit already. Just go ahead and rewrite your number. Okay, and then it's going to be times 10 to the 0. That's all you have to do. Any other questions about this example? Let me know.